Good afternoon and welcome to beautiful MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. We'll be taking a look at 2019 28-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. As you can see, this is a white boat, white hull. We put the white motors on it. Boat does have a windlass with a stainless steel anchor. Take a look at a couple options before we take some covers off and go inside, look around. It does have the hard top with the radar. Outriggers. As I said, the motors are the new 300s. They're white. Boat does have underwater lights. Lenco trim tabs. Transom door. Plug for the battery charger in the transom door. Got some rod holders across the transom. Gray stripes and chrome graphics. Let's go inside and take a look. As we come into the 28, you can see it has the transom door. There is freshwater. Boat has the fold down aft seat. Storage box in the back. There's a new 300 Mercuries. Boat does have 3 rod holders in each gunnel. 3 across the back. 3 in each gunnel. 2 rod holders. Has a Yeti core under the tackle center, live well, sink. That's the seats. There's the helm. This boat is highly optioned. Does have the 2 12-inch Marine hybrid touch. Vessel view in the middle. Accu trim. Has a fusion stereo. Lenco trim tabs. VHF radio with a remote speaker. Overhead box. Glove compartment with USB and 12-volt port. Cup holder. The digital controls. Has the windshield with the opening window in it. Vent. T-top with 4 rod holders across the back. This boat has raw water washdown. Does have the 2 jump seats on either side. Seating forward. Seating forward. Access to your windlass. Combing. That is in the accessory package. Does have a wiper. Forward light. Plenty of storage underneath. So we put all the covers when I took them off. There's also rod storage in there that goes into the head. As we come back down the side, you can see the other jump seat. Fish boxes in the floor. Bolster style helm seats. Take a look at the head. The outriggers are in here. I'll move them out of the way. Head, your electronics panel, your stereo, your macerator, outriggers back in, close the head, access to the bilge, your pumps, the other fish box, 28, incredible ride on the 28, just a great boat. Once again, this boat's here at MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Come on down and take a look. Thank you.